Vključevanje, sprejemanje drugačnosti in strpnosti so rdečani gostovanja skupine Step Africa, za katero je značilen prav poseben način plesa.
We had these two groups called fraternities and sororities. They're college groups of guys and girls, and they came together to dance and to sing, and so that developed into what you see stepping now, which again is an American dance form where you're using your body to make music. Your body is a drum.
Pač dobro bilo, zabavni so bili. Vsi so imeli pač drugačno frizuro kot mi.
Meni je najboljši bil ples, ko so fantje plesali, ko so slabi.
Skupina je prav vse dvignila na noge in tudi sami so se preizkusili v steppingu.
Teamwork, commitment, and discipline. So in everything that we do, what we want to make sure that everyone understands is that those three principles can carry you so very far in life. So we use STEP as a vehicle to get that across.
Vsak je bil drugačen, pa ne vem pač kako je ratalo, pač, da tako se močno ploskajo, pa z nogami pa vse. Pa jaz ne bi bil naučil tako hitro ta ples, kako se oni učijo.
Nisem vedela, da znajo tako močno ploskati, da se je v celi dvorani slišalo.
Za posebno presenečenje pa je poskrbela skupina šolskih tolkalcev.
Nastopamo pač pred množico ljudi, pač tisti, ki se ustvarjamo ritme nove.
It was very good, and we were all like, great job! So, yeah.
As different as we may be from all over the place, we're far more the same than we are different.
Kulturna enolončnica na osnovni šoli Vivada je bila tudi tokrat odlična.